So I think it's day 7 today. Sorry, I look very tired today. We had a really late night last night in the park. Today is our rest day or pool day. We're going to chill by the pool today. We're going to head to downtown Disney later on today, but we're just going to chill and relax. We've got one more day in the park tomorrow. We've had a really fabulous trip. I think this has definitely been the best way to do it. Having a few days to get over the jet lag at the beginning. And then doing a couple of days in the park and then having a rest day. I definitely feel a lot more refreshed than I did last time we came. So we're just waiting for a couple of Uber orders. So we've done a Target order and also CVS order. So if you don't want to head to the supermarkets, you can actually use Uber Eats, Uber Groceries to have things delivered to the hotel, which is what we've done this morning. Then we're going to get ready and head down to the pool. So I'll catch up with you once we're down at the pool. So we made it down to the pool. I haven't got a costume on. It looks like I've got nothing on at the top. I've just ordered a cheeky cocktail. So I've got the passion fruit bramble and it is delicious. So it's got vodka, pineapple, lemon juice, passion fruit syrup and orgeat, which I think is the leaf. So I'm just going to enjoy this and just have something to eat. Temperature's mid to high 20s today, so it's like a perfect. So it's a perfect temperature today. My feet are very glad that we are having a pool day today. We're in the park till about 10:30 last night. Did over 20,000 steps again, so my feet are definitely ready for a rest. Very happy I bought Crocs on holiday. I'll show you my Crocs. So I've got some Buzz Crocs and they are so comfortable when your feet need a bit of a rest. I haven't worn them in the park yet. So we are going to spend probably most of the day down by the pool. We've already got our next room for the night, so I'll pop a room tour in. This is, I think, our fifth and final room during this stay. And then on the last night, we were in with Lib and Ewan for the very last night. We have also booked Diamond Driver Guy again for our transfer back to the airport. I can't recommend this company enough. Very, very well organised, lots of communication. The drivers are so lovely, and the nice thing about using Diamond Driver Guy is they will actually take you right to the front of the airport, whereas if you get an Uber you have to get a bus over to the Uber pickup area and vice versa when you're coming back. And to be honest, there isn't a massive difference. So we've had to have a car for 5 to 6 people because we've got quite a bit of luggage, and also we've got a wheelchair as well. But you know, if there's only 4 adults, you should be able to get away, and obviously that makes it cheaper, but it's still very reasonably priced for what you actually get in the service you're getting. Exceptional service. I would thoroughly recommend that, the Diamond Driver Guy, completely. So I'm going to go and enjoy my cocktail and I'll catch up with you a little bit later. So this is the menu if you're staying in the DVC Tower, Disneyland Hotel poolside food and drink. If you want to order anything, you've got a little flag at the back of your sun lounger. Just pop it up and someone will pop round to you. So I'll just show you the sort of menu items that they have. As I said, I've just ordered the passion fruit bramble, which is absolutely delicious. But they've got a selection of cocktails, non-alcoholic cocktails. They've also got water by the pool, so you can actually fill up your water bottle as well. They've got a good selection of wine and beer. And then I'll just share that as well, so you can see the QR code if you want to scan it yourself. So we are now in 738, which is on the 7th floor. And as you come in, you've got lovely wallpaper. And into the bathroom, you've got the bathroom counter, hand soap, lotion and towels. And you've also got a hairdryer. And then this time, I think we've got an Aurora Sleeping Beauty room. So that's a similar shower. You've got a rain shower and a normal shower and a seating area and Disneyland toiletries, which are the old H2O toiletries. Then coming into the main room, We're actually in a deluxe studio, and I believe this is a standard view, so I'll show you the view. So you've got storage in here in the ottoman, and then this bed pulls down into a second bed if there are 4 of you in the room. You've got, I believe, a queen size bed, and then you've got a beautiful light feature. So you've got the castle behind, then you've got a seating area with Sleeping Beauty pictures. This is your view from 738, just for context. So it looks like we're backing onto some sort of generators. You can see the Disney car park and then the housing behind, but you can't see the California mountains. And you've got a beautiful light feature behind the bed, which lights up at night time. You've got 2 little bedside cabinets that are static, they don't move. And obviously you've got USB-C and USB charging and American plugs. Beautiful engraving on the wall as well. You've got a huge desk area with 2 little buffets. You've got plenty of storage. A little mirror there, and then obviously welcome to the Herbert family. And then in each of the rooms we've got a little print. Is the 70th anniversary Disney picture. Loads of drawers and storage in each of the room. And then also coming across, you've got like a kitchen area. These cabinets are really hard to open, so you've actually got proper crockery and cutlery. You've got a microwave oven, coffee machine. You've got washing up stuff underneath the sink and kitchen roll. And then you've got a little fridge and a tiny freezer in each of the rooms. And then you've also got bathrobes and a bit of storage. I'll just show you inside. So you've got like an Aurora picture behind. And then in the other wardrobe, you generally have your safe and spare pillars and a blanket, an ironing board and a washing basket. Just something to note here. So normally when we stay at our home resort in the Riviera, we don't pay for washing. You just have to use your detergent. This is the image behind the Murphy bed. Just Sleeping Beauty. I got to end the video yesterday. It was really tired. It was quite a chill day. We sat down by the pool, had a bit of pool time, and then yesterday evening with me, Libby and Andy popped down to Downtown Disney to do a bit of shopping. We got dinner from Earl Sandwich, and it was actually really, really tasty and not extortionate, really good price. So thank you so much for watching the vlog yesterday. I didn't film a lot during the day. The children don't want to be in the videos anymore, so I'm trying really to get the right balance of being able to film for the vlogs, but also obviously respecting their wishes not to include them in the vlogs as well. So there are going to be times where I might not film very much, because for me, I want to enjoy the trip with them as a family and make memories. So if you watched today, thank you so much for watching the vlogs. It really does mean the world to me. If you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to hit the like button, and please think about subscribing. I will see you tomorrow, which will be our final day in the park, which I'm really sad about. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.